What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about BZRX, or aka FULCRUM. What is this junk? Alright, well guys, it's not junk, but it's pretty cool. Anyways guys, this is another DeFi protocol we're talking about, because if you aren't doing DeFi, well, you're not getting DeFi done. Yeah, I don't know, lame saying, but if you guys aren't joined on Drake on Digital, you guys are getting left behind. Alright, so what is FULCRUM? What are they looking to do? Alright, so guys, this is pretty awesome. They got some crazy rates. I'm just going to show you guys a quick teaser. Look at this junk. Alright, so look, you can lend it out. So they got a screaming rate on BNB, and how are they able to do this? Well, first off, if you guys did not know, you can actually stake your tokens on Binance, and they pay you like 30%. And all they're doing is lending out your tokens. And there's a lot of demand for BNB, especially on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is dual chain. This is on Binance and on Ethereum. I'll show you guys the Ethereum one later in this video because I don't want to switch swap MetaMask. Alright guys, so here's some of the rates. This is really easy. This is how you do it. I've already lent out some BNB. But basically what you'll do is you'll click on lend, and this will load for us. It takes some time. Alright, so we linked it up, and as you can see, you really can't see it actually. It's 0.44 BNB, and it's going to give me 0.43 IBNB. Now why is that? What? Well, that's not right. It should be 1-to-1. No. Well, what happens is these IBNB tokens, they automatically accrue interest. So over time, they get more and more expensive. So the price divergence will happen greater and greater. So you'll actually be able to swap these on PancakeSwap. The price is not loading right now. I guess it's just because my internet is just righteous. But anyways, you just copy the contract code, and you can swap it on PancakeSwap. So here's the contract number, the contract address. You just look up the FULCRUM BNB I token, or IBNB, and you can copy and paste it right in here. Or you can easily just type IBNB. I went ahead and added it for you guys. I'm going to remove it. No, I'm just kidding with you guys. I'm messing with you. So it's added on PancakeSwap for you guys now. But anyways, guys, the BZRX protocol. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of the lending rates. So after you go ahead and loan out some BNB or auto, what's pretty cool is you can actually go over to their farms, and you can actually now stake your IBNB. So now you can earn on the IBNB because it's constantly earning a percentage, and now you can come over here and earn an APR, 45% right now. So it's pretty crazy how it works, but basically you have the farming APR. Well, I guess it's not a 44% on top, but you're getting an additional 5%, as you guys can see with the information, like when you click the I. And then you also have 20x, so it's going to earn you some bGov. So now you're going to be earning bGov tokens as well, and you can stake your bGov tokens here. And bGov tokens, you can actually sell them. Yeah, here. So see, bGov is listed on CoinGecko as well. I think it's on PancakeSwap. Yeah. So you can go straight on PancakeSwap. Have fun with it. I really think it's a governance token. But again, guys, this is a farming token. I would not recommend buying it. This is one of those things you earn and sell and pocket the spread, I guess. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do. I mean, it's really just free money. And you guys can kind of play around with it, see how it works. That's the farm lending. And if you guys want to spice it up some, you can work on some DeFi strategies where you can get a loan. So basically what you need to do is you can click on any of these sections, and you would choose how much you want to get a loan on. But do be aware, guys, this is first 150% collateralized. That's actually not too bad. So what that means is you need, if you want to get a loan for $100, you need to put in $150. So keep that in mind. But there is a 12% APR, so that means you have to pay 12% on that money. So every year you're going to be paying about, what, 12 bucks or something like that, and it is compounding interest, so do keep that in mind. It'll keep going up and up. So that's really Torque in a nutshell. Well, Torque, aka FULCRUM. That's basically those two in a nutshell. These are just some other DeFi strategies you guys can play around with. Some of the rates aren't crazy, some of them are pretty crazy, so play around with it. There's different farms on there. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. We're going to go ahead and switch to Ethereum to show you them rates. All right, so now we're on ETH. You guys can see the rates here. You got a couple of options. First is the lending section. So let's connect our wallet. Done. Connected. You can see the interest rates are like nothing here. But look at the DAI. DAI is 26%. That's the highest I've ever seen, and that is pretty fire. And now you got that iDAI, and then you got the iDAI in your wallet. Maybe they'll work out a feature where you can also farm with it, but hey, that will be coming soon. So once you have your iDAI, you are basically earning 26% interest on it. That's pretty fire, guys. Better yet, once you get your iDAI, you can use that to buy something. So you can go on the trading chart and look for the iDAI section, and you can swap it around. But anyways, guys, that is on the Ethereum side. Now we're going to talk about these I tokens. So minting an I token is basically as simple as that. I showed you guys in the beginning of the video swapping from BNB. So that's typically how you do it. It's really easy to do. But basically it provides the fixed interest rate, and it keeps not from smart contract risk, but if there's a hack on the website or a hack on the smart contract, now you have it locked in your wallet, so it protects you against that, which is really important. If you ever want to close out the token, A, you can swap it on PancakeSwap, or B, you can easily just pay it back. So when the tokens are in your wallet, you just click exchange, and it'll exchange your tokens back into the regular token. Here's the different contract addresses if you guys want to see them. You got iDAI, IUSDC, USDT, etc. All of them. And guys, that's really Fulcrum and the BZRX protocol in a nutshell. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Tell me what you guys think of the protocol. This is where you can earn some fire interest rates on your BNB and on Doge. Doge is like 23% or 33%. I know everyone's buying Doge, but hey, why not earn interest on it? And if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, smash out the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit any of those affiliate links in the description below, and you get paid, I get paid. It's a win-win. Bomb, bomb. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 27, verses 5. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. We've already done this one, but guys, it's so important to keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency, and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a Crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies. Or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy. And here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats, and it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.